Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Engino Inventor is probably one of the most versatile and engaging STEM construction toy sets available today, offering a unique approach to learning through play that encourages critical thinking and problem-solving skills in children. This innovative system allows young minds to explore the principles of physics, mechanics, and engineering by building a wide array of models, from simple machines to complex robots, fostering a deeper understanding of how the world works while sparking creativity and a passion for discovery. It's an investment in your child's future, providing hours of educational fun and laying the groundwork for a lifelong interest in science and technology. Number 5. Engino STEM Structures and Bridges Building Kit. Discover the excitement of building. With this kit, you can construct 9 different engineering marvels, from houses to various types of bridges. Each creation is a hands-on lesson in real structural engineering. Learning engineering principles has never been easier or more fun. Our kit includes simple instructions, fascinating facts, and engaging experiments, making STEM discovery an adventure, not a chore. Join the ranks of educators and parents who trust this top-rated building toy. It's designed to ignite a passion for technology and inspire future innovators. Looking for an ideal gift for a child aged 9 and up? This engineering kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or science fairs, and is trusted by schools globally. Experience the difference of our unique, patented building system. Its snap-fit components connect in multiple directions, allowing for the creation of complex 3D models that stand apart from ordinary building sets. Made with durable, high-quality materials in Europe. What we like. This set allows you to build 9 real engineering models, teaching structural principles. If you are looking for a kit that focuses on teaching fundamental engineering concepts through hands-on construction, this is a great choice. It's ideal for kids who enjoy understanding how things are built and why they work. What people say. Engino Inventor is a great toy for kids who love to build and create. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for younger children. The pieces are durable and well-made, and they fit together securely. Number 4. Engino Inventor 30in1 STEM Construction Kit. Unleash your creativity with this incredible STEM construction kit. You can build up to 30 different motorized models, bringing complex concepts to life. From a speedy drag racer and a towering drawbridge to a powerful truck or a fearsome T-Rex, the possibilities are endless. You can even build a helicopter or an elevator. This kit is designed to make learning fun and engaging for young engineers and scientists. It features award-winning components that simplify complex ideas. Assembly is made easy with clear, step-by-step illustrated instructions. You can also access 3D rendered instructions online for an even more immersive building experience. Access detailed 3D assembly guides through Engino's website or their free downloadable app for Android and iOS. Start building your next amazing creation today. What we like. With the ability to build 30 motorized models, this set offers incredible variety and dynamic play. If you want a kit that brings creations to life with movement and introduces complex concepts through engaging, step-by-step 3D instructions, this is the one. It's perfect for aspiring engineers who love seeing their builds in action. What people say. The Engino Inventor set is a fantastic educational toy that allows children to build a wide variety of models, from simple vehicles to complex robots. The pieces are made of durable plastic and connect easily, making it simple for kids to assemble and disassemble their creations. The set comes with a comprehensive instruction booklet that guides users through building 10 different models, but also encourages creativity and experimentation to design unique inventions. This toy is great for developing problem-solving skills and spatial reasoning. The different types of connectors and rods allow for a lot of flexibility in design, and the included gears and pulleys introduce basic mechanical principles. It's a hands-on way for kids to learn about engineering and physics concepts in a fun and engaging way. The Engino Inventor set is a high-quality construction toy that offers hours of entertainment and learning. The pieces are well-made and fit together securely, ensuring that the models are stable. The variety of components included, such as wheels, axles, and structural elements, provides endless possibilities for building and imaginative play. Number 3. Engino Creative Builder 30in1 Multimodel Series. Build up to 30 unique creations with this versatile set. Let your child explore different designs and learn how structures work. It includes 120 durable, precision-fit parts. These allow for smooth assembly and disassembly, supporting flexible construction for long-lasting play. Add movement and interactivity to selected models. This brings builds to life and introduces simple mechanical concepts through play. Inspire young builders to think like engineers. Encourage experimentation, creative problem solving, and logical reasoning as they design, build, and test. It encourages learning through play, improving fine motor skills and spatial awareness. This promotes STEM education by combining fun with science, technology, engineering, and math. What we like. This versatile set lets you build up to 30 unique creations, including motorized models that add an extra layer of fun. If you're seeking a toy that encourages experimentation, problem solving, and introduces basic mechanical concepts through play, this is an excellent option. It's designed for young learners who enjoy creative construction and interactive play. What people say. The Engino Inventor set is a fantastic educational toy that allows children to build a wide variety of models, from simple vehicles to complex robots. The included instruction booklet provides clear, step-by-step guides for building different models, making it easy for kids to follow along and learn. The durable plastic pieces snap together securely, ensuring that the models are stable and can withstand play. Number 2. Engino STEM Toys Newton's Laws Building Kit. Introducing an exciting STEM toy designed to make physics fun and understandable. Explore the fundamental principles of motion and energy through engaging, hands-on activities. Construct a variety of incredible models, from a catapult to a balloon-powered plane. These creations bring complex scientific concepts to life, transforming learning into an adventure. Enjoy easy-to-follow instructions and fascinating scientific theory. This kit makes learning real scientific principles an enjoyable discovery, not a chore. Perfect for curious minds aged 9 and up, this kit offers a unique learning experience. Enhance the fun with an optional free 3D app for virtual building. Watch your child confidently grasp Newton's laws and essential STEM concepts. This building kit nurtures critical thinking and problem-solving skills vital for future success. Give the gift of discovery and learning with this comprehensive STEM kit. It's an ideal present that sparks curiosity and builds a strong foundation for engineering and science. What we like. This kit makes learning about Newton's laws and energy exciting with 8 thrilling working models. If your child is fascinated by physics and enjoys hands-on experiments that explain everyday phenomena, this is the perfect educational gift. It's designed to build critical thinking skills essential for STEM careers. What people say. The kit includes a variety of gears, levers, and pulleys that allow for complex mechanical creations. The instruction manual is clear and provides step-by-step guidance for building different models. The pieces are made of durable plastic and connect securely, ensuring stability for the built models. Number 1. Engino STEM Toys, Physics Laws Kit. Discover the fundamental laws of motion and see how they affect our everyday world. This kit makes learning about physics an exciting adventure. Construct 6 different working models, such as a rocket launcher and a crash test rig. Get ready to bring physics concepts to life through building. With clear, step-by-step instructions and engaging theory, your child can become a young scientist. Fun experiments and quizzes reinforce what they learn. Designed for ages 9 and up, this toy features an interactive 3D app for virtual building. It's a recognized top STEM toy for sparking interest in technology. Featuring award-winning components, complex science is made simple and fun. It's an educational and enjoyable way to learn, proudly made in Europe. What we like. Explore the laws of motion and discover their impact on daily life with 6 incredible working models. If you're looking for a STEM toy that makes complex physics concepts accessible and engaging, especially with the added benefit of a virtual reality app, this set is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for kids aged 9 and up who want to unleash their inner scientist. What people say. The Engino Inventor set offers a wide variety of building possibilities, allowing for the creation of numerous models. The instructions provided are clear and easy to follow, making the building process enjoyable for all ages. The durable construction of the Engino pieces ensures that models can withstand repeated play and disassembly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.